Many homeowners call and ask, can you clean my travertine patio? But sometimes it's not there. Travertine is a natural stone, beautiful, but it's also really sensitive. You may see black pepper looking spots, orange stains, pink discoloration, and here what this happen. Black spots are usually mold, algae, and organic growth trapped in the pores. Orange stains are often iron oxidation, rust reacting with moisture. I have seen so many people that have metal furniture on the outside travertine patio, and with the humidity, the sun, and the weather in Florida, it creates rust on the surface. Pink discoloration is typically bacteria or chemical reaction, especially around the pools where the chlorine sits. Let's talk about the stages. There is 3 stages: cleaning, restoration, and buying again the tile or the stone. That is replacement, right? So the cleaning remove about everything that is the green, the algae, the dirt, the surface built up. But remember that cleaning does not reverse the chlorine burns, acid etching, in case that someone use an acid to clean travertine floors. Cleaning does not reverse deep oxidation or surface breakdown. Another option is restoration. And restoration may include honing, mechanical abrasion, refinishing, and sealing. It can improve the surface damage, but also restoration has its own limits. Replacement, really expensive, right? But if the stone is chemical burn or structurally compromised, replacement may be the only solution. No chemical can rebuild a damaged stone. As professionals, we must be honest about the procedure, the options that the client has: cleaning, restoration, or replacement. I suggest to clean the surface to see how bad or how good is your travertine floor. The most cost-effective solution is always to do a correct diagnosis. Before spending money, make sure you know at what stage is your travertine. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Were really good. And this is Sonia and Fiorella from anyhousecleaning.com. We are located in Davenport, Florida, and you can call us at 407-572-4118. The floor is old, is in really bad shape, condition, but no, you cannot see any mildew and any weed on the floor. It came really good. Thank you for watching. We enjoyed this video. To the next time, okay? Thank you for following us. Bye.